it's Peter here. Guys, we've got a JVC here. I bought it for profit. I bought it for £20 and I paid maybe £2 for petrol. I'll switch it on and I'll show you what's going on. It's a Freeview Full HD TV. I've got a remote for it as well. Really similar to the LG one. So it's a full HD DVB. You see, this side is fine, whereas this side is just darker. So that is working. Until this point is okay. I assume that here will be LEDs faulty, yes? So now what we can do is we can try to fix it. And give the option to the customer, you know, keep it this way, or, I mean, this way, fixed, yes? Or, if customer wants, we can replace a full LED backlight, which is not a problem as well. Will cost customer a bit more, so customer have a choice of having a TV which is working or with a new backlight which can serve them for like 2-3 years. Yes, so I'll take it apart and we will see what is faulty over there. Yes, is it 1 diode, 4 diodes, or I don't know. Let's wait and let's see. So guys, I've got a bad news for myself. I've damaged the display. And the reason why I've damaged the display is because it was glued at the top, which I haven't noticed. When I've noticed it, it was too late. I went the side, and on the side I was inserting my nails. Can you see it here? And then a bit here somewhere as well. So what I did is I inserted my nails and it was okay, it was loosened. No, I could lift it up. That's why I thought it's a model which is not glued together. Okay. So I've checked second side here somewhere and it was loosened as well. So I said, oh fine, it's loose, you know. So I went across and I was trying to gently lift up this side. Okay. And I was here and then it cracked. So I'll put it aside and I'll explain. If you have a glued screen, okay, some of the glues can go off with hot air, which I don't recommend, but they have frames, and usually when they are glued, usually, not always, Samsungs are not always, but usually when they are glued on one side only, you've got a frame which you can take out. So how to avoid the damage of the display, keep in mind that was my one. I bought it yesterday for like 22 quid or something. I can still sell, you know, components like main board, power supply, or keep it for another customer who can come to me with this these faulty. I've got a remote, I've got a stand, so I've got some spare parts. Maybe I will sell it for the equivalent of what I've paid. But what I want to say is, if you want to avoid it, please consider taking apart the frame when it's glued and not trying to go, because even if you go in with this, you can damage the display, and most likely you will. Okay? So if you don't want to damage the display, which is not worth to repair, please don't use anything to pry it to open, to unglue it, especially when you use the ambient temperature, not hot air temperature, which again, I don't recommend use a hot air on it, because I don't want you to damage it. So that's it guys, bought for profit, and will go to the recycling, unfortunately. Thank you for watching. If you did like this lesson, to everyone, please like or subscribe. If possible, let's fix them all, or learn sometimes. on our mistakes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.